In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fake or change your location on Snapchat. As you can see here in my Snapchat map, I am currently in the Philippines. Wherever you are now, you can fake or change your location on Snapchat to somewhere in the world by just following these steps. Okay, here we go. Step number 1, you need to go to App Store and download the app called Fake GPS Location. Here's the name and icon of the app. Let's go and install it. Once the installation is done, open it. Now you need to turn on the developer option in the settings of your phone by clicking on Open Settings. And you will see this developer option here. If it is not found here, I have a separate video on how to find it. Just click the link above right now or in the description to watch the video. But if the developer option shows here like this, you can now proceed to the next step, which is turning it on. There are so many things in here, but what you are going to find is the option called Select Mock Location App. And you need to select Fake GPS App to fake or change your Snapchat location. Once done, you can now go back and the world map will be shown to you. Here you can select any place in the world to be your Snapchat location. Just point the location icon here into the place where you want to be your location on Snapchat. For example, I want to change my location to United States. I just need to place the location icon into the United States map. Once done, click on the play button here to activate the location. The fake GPS app will close automatically, and the next step is to find Snapchat app, do a long press on it, and click on App Info. Go to Storage Usage, and click on Clear Cache. Once done, you can now open Snapchat app. And as you can see, I am now in the United States. If your Snapchat location is still not changed, go back to Fake GPS app, click on the pause button, and click on play again. After that, I'm pretty sure it will work.